Are you tired of working long hours and still feeling broke? What if I told you that AI could be your business partner and help you start a side hustle today? No fancy degree, no huge budget, just your laptop and a little consistency. In this video, I'll show you 10 AI-powered side hustles you can start right now, and I'll even give you practical tips on how to make your first dollar. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share the number 1 mistake beginners make with AI side hustles and how you can avoid it. 1. AI content writing. Blogs, copywriting. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you write blog posts, social media captions, or even add copy in minutes. You can start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Pro tip: focus on a niche like finance, health, or tech, so clients see you as a specialist. 2. YouTube automation. Faceless channels. Just like this channel, you can create faceless YouTube videos using AI for scripting, voiceovers, and editing tools like CapCut. Choose profitable niches like finance, productivity, or tech reviews. The beauty? Once your videos take off, YouTube pays you every month. 3. AI-generated art and graphics. Using tools like Midjourney or Canva AI, you can design logos, posters, and even ENFs. Sell your work on Etsy, Redbubble, or directly on Fiverr. The key: add a personal touch instead of just dumping AI art. People pay for uniqueness. 4. Social media management with AI. Small businesses are desperate for someone to manage their TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. With tools like Buffer and Canva AI, you can schedule posts and design content faster than traditional managers. You don't just save time, you become more affordable and efficient. 5. AI video editing services. CapCut, Runway ML, and Descript can help you edit videos faster than traditional editors. Many YouTubers or businesses don't want to learn editing, so you can charge them while letting AI handle most of the work. 6. Transcription and subtitles. Podcasters and YouTubers need transcripts and captions. AI tools like Otter.ai or Descript can create them instantly. This is one of the easiest hustles to start. Just download audio, upload, and deliver. 7. Voiceover work with AI voices. Don't like your voice? No problem. AI voices like 11 Labs sound incredibly human. You can offer voiceovers for ads, explainer videos, or e-learning courses. Niche down, like only doing children's audiobooks or only explainer videos. 8. Online courses with AI help. AI can help you create lesson plans, slides, and even quizzes. Package them into a digital course and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. If you're good at something, even cooking or coding, you can turn it into income. 9. AI-powered resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers struggle to stand out. With ChatGPT, you can create polished resumes and custom cover letters in minutes. Offer this as a service on LinkedIn or Fiverr. People will gladly pay for help landing interviews. 10. AI chatbot setup for businesses. Local businesses like restaurants or online stores need 24/7 support. You can set up simple chatbots using Tidio, Manicat, or ChatGPT API. Charge a setup fee plus monthly maintenance. This is how you build recurring income. So there you have it, 10 AI side hustles you can start today. Remember, the key is not to try all of them at once, but to pick one and go all in until you see results. And here's the bonus I promised. The number 1 mistake beginners make is relying 100% on AI without adding human creativity. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next side hustle idea. And in the comments, tell me, which AI side hustle are you starting today? I'll be replying to as many as I can.